begin bingo. I'm going to give you some directions. For every direction I give you, put a cross on the box on your paper with your pencil. Okay? All right. When you have covered 4 boxes across, up and down, or from corner to corner, call out bingo. Let's begin. Cover the initial sound in shirt. Shirt. Put an X on the final sound in punch. Punch. Cross out the final sound in box. And now don't say anything if you get close, because I don't want other people to think, oh, where am I not missing? Okay. Cover the vowel. Okay, so this is just vowel sound. Vowel sound in snap. Snap. Cover the initial sound in otter. Otter. Yes. Initial. Put an X on the initial sound. Now look at me. Feel your there.
There.
Put an X on the vowel sound in wisp. The vowel sound. Wisp. Cross out the initial sound in Valentine. Valentine. Cross out the initial sound in number. Number. Initial. Initial sound in number. Cover the final sound in clock. Clock. Final. So I got some bingos?
Bingo. Bingo.
Okay, sorry, you guys can say bingo. I just didn't want you to say that you're close to a bingo. Yes, everyone should have a bingo.
I don't have a top.
Okay, if we don't have a bingo, we're going to go through them and figure out what you're missing. Are you ready?
Nicholas, put that chair down.
Number 1. Them. Them. I want them to come to my party. Them. Number 2. Inch. Inch. I have to measure with my inch ruler. Inch.
Very small.
You can get a piece of tape. Number 3. Rash. Rash. When I got into the weeds, I got a rash on my legs. Rash. No, I make these up. They're not real. Number 4. Together. What's my reminder?
Together.
Together. right there. Yes, there's a lot of words. To get her, though. We split apart the words, remember? To get her. Together.
To get her.
Okay. Number 5. Tomorrow. Split it up into syllables. Tomorrow. It's fine. Mrs. Ackerman writes them on the board.
It's over there.
Not something to stress about.
It's over there. That would be cheating stuff.
And number 6. 2.
They all have 2 in them.
All right. Okay, number 1 was them. Number 2 was inch. In, like the word in, sh. Inch. And number 3 was rash. Ash. Number 4, together. To get her. Number 5, tomorrow. To tomorrow. Remember, all the vowels in tomorrow are O's.
Yeah.
And then 2 on number 6. Okay. Say these words, please. And listen to the final position. Final position, okay? Number. Letter. Otter. What sound do you hear at the final position, everyone? Okay, look at these words and see what is making the sound.
I know what it is.
Okay, just wait, please. All right, what letters are making the sound, boys and girls?
E-R.
E-R. E-R is not a digraph, okay?
Yes.
It is not a digraph. ER is called a combination. A combination is 2 letters that come together that make an unexpected sound. Okay? They come together to make an unexpected sound. We code combinations with arcs. Okay? Let me show you. This is an arc. It's like an upside. Or it's facing
this way. It's a
Yes.
smiley face, but under.
It's yes, it's the bottom part of your smiley face, right? Okay. So from now on, when we have combinations, or you see ER and it says you are going to put an arc under it. Okay?
It's like a breathe.
Let's look at voices off. Let's look at this first word. What other coding does it need? Besides the arc. What other coding does it need? Okay, breathe on the U. Clara? No, you don't need to breathe on the E because, boys and girls, because it already has the arc under it, we do not put a breathe under the E, okay? Good question. Haley. VCCV. Okay? I know that the letter is not a vowel by itself, it's a combination, but it's still VCCV. Now what do we do since we did VCCV? Liam? Divide line and accent mark. Okay, let's do letter. E is, okay. Oh, I guess we don't have to do them. Now let's read this word. Number. Okay. Put your hand on your throat and feel this sound. It is voice. The sound is voice because the voice box vibrates. Sometimes you will see words in which the letters ER are followed by the letter R. Okay, listen. Here's this word. Okay, hold on. In the word Derek, the letters ER are followed by the letter R. So the vowel E makes a short vowel sound. Okay. Just remember that when you see a combination followed by the letter R, it may not be acting as a combination. So this is not a combination because of this letter R. Hudson, put it in the back table. Okay? So if there's two R's, then this may not be a combination. Okay? Because it's not Durick. The Rick. It's Derek. Okay? Alright. So I'm going to show you the letter cards and the picture card. Okay, what new sound have we learned?
ER.
What's the sound though? So, on number 7, write the ER for No, that's okay. Now we're going to spell some words that include the combination Look at your practice sheet again. Number 8. Write the word term. Term. What says Okay. Number 9. Under. Under. And number 10. After. After.